Who really carries coins on them anymore? Like, go and ask a spectator, can I borrow a coin? 9 times out of 10 now, they don't have one. They've got a Slim wallet, they only got Apple Pay on them. They probably haven't had coins since COVID. So I think this is why Vanish is so cool, because it allows you to apply the principles of coin magic to something new and emerging and growing in popularity, which is an AirTag.
Juan and I loved the idea of using an AirTag as a substitute for a coin because it has this amazing property of always being able to know where it is. Vanish is a tool that will allow you to vanish an AirTag under test conditions. No palming, no stealing, it just hides in plain sight. It happens in the spectator's hands and there are no moves. We love taking classic and tested ideas and transforming them into something that makes sense for us.
Make an AirTag vanish and appears anywhere you want.
The routine that we've come up with is incredible. To us, it's super trippy and original. There has never been a teleportation where you can, in real time, see it happen. The spectator names any city in the world, truly any city.
I want to go to Paris.
And then you take the AirTag, place it in their hand, where it then vanishes while they're still holding onto it.
No!
Thanks to the Vanish system, when you now check the map, you will see that the AirTag has teleported to their freely named city.
Holy shit, it's London.
Yep, I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's literally right in Paris.
The app is super simple to use. There are no suspicious moves. It's always out in the open.
¿Es tu casa?
When you perform Vanish, you'll almost feel guilty with how easy it is. This is something you always carry with you, ready to perform at any time. It simply lives on your keychain.
My name is Juan Capilla.
My name is Alex Latorre, and welcome to Vanish.